Hi guys, how you doing? I hope you're doing good. So we are about to make cinnamon rolls with my cutie pie here. Do you want to tell them what's your name? Who are you?
I'm Carol.
You're Carol. So guys, what are you making?
Cinnamon rolls.
Yeah.
And they're so delicious. I've been dreamed about it forever.
Dreaming about cinnamon.
And mommy has a wig. And guess what? She is inside. Actually,
Yeah, I'll put on a wig.
yeah, and she actually doesn't have black hair anymore.
Yeah.
And me, I do have black. I look so
Yes, you do.
So mommy has like, she looks like me.
Okay, I have lines underneath this wig.
Yeah, and she looks like she's bald.
I look bad.
Yeah.
Because they're really tiny.
Yeah.
But now I have a wig on, so it's okay. So, Mom, what do you know what ingredients we are using? Oh, and you want to say
So
something?
we're using vanilla
Mhm.
and actually we're gonna make dough.
Mhm.
Dough.
Yeah.
And actually there's like sugar
Yeah.
and those like
And
brown
the cinnamon itself. The cinnamon powder.
Yeah, cinnamon powder.
Yeah.
And you have to put it in the oven.
In the oven. So
And
now.
then we're gonna have to roll it. So if you've never made this before, just subscribe to my channel too.
Yeah.
Also me, I made cinnamon rolls myself.
On
When I
her
had
channel.
black hair. And if you did not watch my channel, make sure you like and subscribe my channel and my mom and my dad. See ya, my baby. Hi. Bye. And mommy is introducing mommy. And,
Mommy of the year.
and she has a wig on.
Okay.
And my baby-
You can't get over my wig.
And my baby is called Lila.
Okay, guys, so these are the ingredients. Oops, how do we hold it? These are some of the ingredients we're using. We have.
Yeah.
No, let me just
Mom,
put
Mom.
it like this.
Come, put the camera here.
Yeah. So we have cinnamon powder, sugar and salt, yeast,
Yeah, I'm telling you. My baby.
flour,
Real.
milk. Okay.
I'm eating flan. That's kidding.
And now you're eating sugar. Okay.
I'm so
So
sorry
guys,
for you.
we're about to start, and I have to bend.
The whole time.
I have to bend because now we can't both fit on the screen. Carol. Okay. So she has her kid here, her baby bear with the bear's back.
Yeah, it
That's
has her
okay.
all her diapers.
While we make cinnamon rolls, the kid
Yeah,
is
and
watching.
she wants some milk first.
Okay, so I'll start
First
with
you
milk.
want
It's
milk.
a bit slightly warm, like lukewarm. And then I'm adding
This.
This is yeast. Add the yeast. You know yeast. Do you know what's the use of yeast?
And
And
then
then let's add some sugar, not all of it. And then we need to wait 10 minutes.
okay, so anyways,
Let me give you a spoon, you can mix it. Here. We need to wait 10 minutes so that the
and
yeast
guys,
can
this
activate.
looks like cereal.
Yeah, kinda.
My baby wants to eat
But
this.
what
This
kind
is
of
so
cereal?
dangerous for a baby.
It's dangerous.
Yeah, you cannot eat this. Babies cannot eat this. This is not cereal.
Yeah, you can't eat yeast. Like when it's not cooked.
When it's cooked, that's when
Yeah.
baby get my cinnamon. And
Baby.
she's not even she's so patient. She can wait for the whole time.
She's patient. She's not gonna cry for the cinnamon roll.
Yeah. Only me, I yell for it.
You yell for it. Okay, let's leave it for 10 minutes, okay? Do you have a timer?
Timer, give me check my bag. These babies bag.
Okay, let's use my phone to time for 10 minutes, okay?
Okay. So
No, we don't even need let's just use the oven. Let's do 10 minutes from the oven setting. So when it does, the bell rings, we know. Oops. Sorry.
So anyways, we're gonna stay here
And
like
wait.
waiting.
Yeah. for 10 minutes. But me, I'll sit on the sofa as I wait because I can't kneel, I can't bend like this the whole time. It's too tiring for me.
Okay, let's stand the whole time.
Oh no. See, is there something you want to tell my people as they wait for the cinnamon rolls? Something you love, something you've learned, something you love doing. Tell us.
Something I love doing is just playing games with mommy's phone, playing with my toy baby, and feeding and changing her diaper, feed her, let her to sleep, and burp her.
You change her diaper, feed her, and bap her.
Yeah, and,
Oh my God,
and
you know?
take her for a walk.
You do? On a stroller.
And I wish I
Fine.
had a stroller.
So that's what you love doing, taking care of the baby.
And play with the phone forever.
What do you play on the phone? Let me show you Lucky how the yeast looks like.
Ta-da!
Yeah, it's already activated or whatever. It's swelling.
So anyways, I forgot my baby's diapers. So
Are
my
you
baby-
cooking and changing diapers at the same time? You.
Yeah, I have
Why?
to change the baby's diaper. Why? Oh.
Okay guys, so now we're gonna start making the dough. So put the sugar
Yeah,
and salt.
Give me get my towel from the bag.
You know, you need your wet hands because we are putting our hands in here.
Oh.
Okay, put some sugar and salt, all of it. And we need oil. I forgot to measure some oil. And guys, we need a quarter cup of oil. I almost forgot it.
That looks like a pattern.
A pattern.
A
Let me
pink
see what it
pattern.
looks like.
This is how it's supposed to look like. It looks like it has dots. Look. You see, it looks like it has dots.
Yeah. So these kids can stay here, please.
No, my baby. Stop firing them.
I'm not firing them.
Fire my baby. How dare you?
Okay. So let's put the flour.
My
Move your head
babies.
a bit. Oops, the spoon is falling. Put the flour.
Okay, my baby's going to sit. I think that's not.
Can you just let them? Oh my God.
My baby.
Mama Maki and we are cooking. Can they just stay away from the fire in the kitchen?
No,
Can
there's
they
no
just
fire.
stay in the kitchen?
No. 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 They just want to sit because they're gonna cry at you if you don't let them sit.
Okay. Okay, guys, let's put the flour, Carol.
Okay, guys.
This is 3 cups of flour.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 14.
Okay.
Now, touch it.
Yeah, now we can touch it. But first, I like to mix with a spoon. I hope that milk wasn't too much and I won't end up adding so much more flour.
Oh my, look at the froggy. He's also messy.
It's like we're gonna need a little bit more flour. She can mix.
I'm gonna mix it with my hand.
First, mix a bit with that. We're getting to the hands.
This feels like slime.
Oh, the camera is almost finishing charge. Ish.
Oh my god.
So guys, we're gonna make the dough and then we're gonna leave it for 1 hour to rest. Then that's when we're gonna come and put cinnamon powder. So I'll see you then. Okay, so guys,
So
there.
the dough is ready.
Yeah, you can see.
The
Punch it.
pizza. It's not sticky anymore.
Yeah. So we're gonna roll it and
Okay, take
we're
it
going
out.
to roll it and then
Take
put the
out.
cinnamon
First,
powder.
take it out.
Wait, I put flour here.
Let's see, the babies can sit there. There.
Okay.
The babies can sit here.
Okay.
So anyways, you should roll the door.
Yeah.
This is my rolling pin. You see my favorite color is blue, like blue door.
Let's start.
And this is my favorite color, blue. And this is a rolling pin. So it's so easy to roll. So you just do like roll your hands together. Do like this. You see? Well, today I'm doing nicely. Not today, it's like a square.
Yeah, we need a square. We've mixed sugar and cinnamon powder here. But first, we're going to put Prestige or butter or
You
whatever
can
you're
call
using.
this one ostrich or blue one?
Don't put sugar here.
Okay, I'm better than putting this. I can put a big giant spoon of it.
Okay. A big giant spoon.
Like, it's like bigger than this whole house.
What? Such a big spoon? That would be so much. Don't
See,
you
this
think
is so big.
This is not that big. You don't need that much.
I show you. I show you.
Yeah, but no, not taking this one. Now use that. Spread it out. Like, oh my goodness. She's licking her fingers like that. Instead
Well,
of
don't listen to
sticking-
her. Don't listen to mommy. She is wrong. She is so wrong. She is
No, I'm
wrong.
saying
She
you need to be
is
clean
wrong.
hand.
She,
Okay, so now-
she is
Carol?
wrong.
You're making it not to zoom. Okay, Carol, now what we do? We put the cinnamon powder, the mixture on top. Slowly, slowly. Nice. Let's show vloggy. Vloggy. There we have it.
No, cakey.
Now we
Roll
roll it. Ati kata keki. Kata keki usiogope. Okay. Go and bring a string.
That's how we say happy birthday. This is what we
No, that means cut a cake. Cut a cake. You didn't know? Go and bring a string. Cutting. It's so soft. Oh my god, it's sticking. God help us. I need to show them measuring. Guys, we are not the most perfect cooks, but so
But
I'll just divide it.
you're only good at like cooking like sandwiches and
Now even cinnamon rolls, I'm good at them. Don't you think so? So you always tell me you love them.
yeah.
Okay, what happened is it didn't come out so straight, but that's okay.
Because
And then
I'm gonna
divide this into a number of pieces.
Mom, look in the camera. Look in the camera. Look. I want to see at the end. More.
Put this one on the tray.
Okay. There we are. Wait for 20 minutes.
Okay. Okay, show us. So guys.
So these are the cinnamon rolls.
Whoa.
They turned out big now.
Yeah. So now we just put them in the
Now
oven. Don't
we
finger them.
eat them.
Don't finger them. They'll stop puffing up. So guys, I'll put this in the oven for about 15 minutes. It should be ready. I'd already preheat the oven. I'm gonna let those bake. While that is baking, I'm gonna be cooking some sausages, and that's about it. So we made those cinnamon rolls. I cut them so big. This is how big they are, but they're so nice and soft. We're just waiting for them to cool down and then we try them out. I still have more, but yeah, they came out so big, so I cut them big sizes, and that's okay. You can make them smaller if you like. I'm not gonna be doing the cream. This is what we are doing for today.
So guys, these are the cinnamon rolls. Look at them. They smell so delicious.
Yeah.
So these are mine.
Those are yours.
Yeah.
So guys, some of them came out so big, Cindy, but that's fine. They look good. We still have more. Show them yours.
Mine is this.
Okay, gonna make some coffee. Okay, I'm having coffee and Carol is gonna be having some soda. We're almost done, Mama. Here is your soda. I'm coming to sit with you. We do a review, right?
Yeah.
tell us if we did a good job or not. Okay, so guys, we are done. That was fun, Carol. So I have my one sausage and a cinnamon roll.
Yeah, me too. And guys, I'm playing this fun game.
What's that game?
That's LOL.
LOL. Okay. Can you sit down and tell them what you think about the cinnamon rolls? Okay? You're too busy.
I'm too busy.
Oh, coffee is good. Okay. I'm trying. You, I think you already tried. Let me take a bite. I haven't even tried them. Mmm. So soft.
Yeah, I know.
They're nice, guys. So good.
And
My
my country
goodness.
is. I choose mom. I choose the one that's have pink like me. And the yellow ball. So
Guys, they turned out so good. Thank you so much for watching. What should they do? Subscribe.
and like and subscribe down below.
Yeah.
And ring the bell.
So thanks guys so much for watching us. Let me try the sausage.
Good.
Good. Thanks guys for watching.
And you have to check our Instagram.
Yeah. Check my Instagram and her YouTube channel. Yeah. So thanks guys for watching. Bye bye.
Bye.